Friends, my name is Sujata Satarkar. Today's date is 31 March 2022, and today's Viva topic is a reiterator in Java. And a reiterator, which is a use to the reiterator and transfers a relative and the collection and the system object, and which is the element of the collection system and the iterator. And there are three types of iterator. Iterator, immer, immer, immersion and a list iterator. And is a Java course is the iterator, and is the Java used to the collection of framework and elements one by one, and used to the universal iterator. We can apply to the any collection object by use the iterator, and we can the perform both remove operation, and it can be the improve, and the variation is the uh, embrace it uh, is the use the additional functionality of the removing element, and the iterator must be used the we can the elements you as the collection framework, and the iterator object is the framework. And methods of the iterator interface, there are three methods interface. And has next and next is a return type iterator, has the more element. And next method and the return next element gives the iterator and no such element. And the third one is a remove method, and remove is the next element. The iterator method is called is only one uses. And uh, uses and iterator, java iterator Java iterator is the runtime iterator, and list of iterator. And list of iterator is the generally is the other iterator as a transversal element of the source. And a source can be the collection is a channel generator functional, and including JDK. And can be the interface used to the get elements, and the collection vector hash table, and enumeration, that is a list of the iterator present from the JDK. And immersion are also used to the specify input the system and object by the calling element. And method vector class any vector object. And a public boolean hash more element. And this is a method is a test element is the immersion is the throw no such of the exception. And uh, next one is a list iterator. And it is a only application for the list collection implementation class, like the array list, linked list, and hash map, hash code. And next as the same as the method is a iterator. And next element, and next method is a next index, and retain the next elements in the index size of the hash. And hash previous, and the iterator true, and the iterator more elements while transversing. That's all about today's topic. Thank you.